Hey guys, do you know why matter matters? Ice consume three states of matter, which are important for our survival.
When we eat anything like a cookie, we have to chew it properly. First, then swallow it. It is so because it's a solid and solid particles are closely packed together.
But when we drink a liquid, it flows down easily to our throat. This is because of the particles of a liquid are not closely packed together and can easily flow in any direction.
And when we breathe air in and out, we don't feel anything. As gas particles are not held together, they float freely.
Friends, matter is all around us. It's everything that takes up space and has mass. You know what interesting? Matter keeps changing its state. Sometimes it changes temporary and sometimes it's permanent.
These permanent changes, which are also known as chemical changes help us to make useful products like medicine, plastic, etc.
If we cut or dye the tomato, it is a physical change. It means that the tiny pieces have the same property as the whole tomato. Its color and taste are the same. We still call it a tomato.
Another such example is bread. Bread is made when a fluid liquid batter called dough is baked. So on heating, the dough shape, size and taste all get changed. This is a permanent change.
Let's see this candle. It has solid wax right now, but now it has liquid wax right now.
On cooling the melted candle wax, it will become solid wax again. This shows a reversible change.
Changing states of matter is not just fun, but very useful as well. Look at this cocoa powder. It's a solid state. But can I eat it if I want to have chocolate? No! So I mix the cocoa powder in milk, stirring tiny particles of solid to liquid turns it into a liquid. Now I can enjoy this yummy cocoa milk. This is a physical change because no heating was involved. Look at these two eggs. They both look the same and feel the same. But let me tell you something, actually they are not. See, my dear friends, an egg is solid, but inside it's in a liquid state. After boiling it, the inside liquid becomes solid. Isn't it amazing? It's an irreversible change. Did you see how useful change of matter is? I could never eat the raw liquid egg. Thank God it changes into a solid boiling egg on heating.
So we can say a physical change is reversible at times and a chemical change is mostly irreversible.
Change in matter is the key to survival. Ever-changing states of matter have effect on our life. Plants and trees are the most pertinent example of change in matter. Change in weather is the most evident example of change in matter in nature.
During our research, we observed weather patterns and identified that melting of ice tops from solid to liquid is due to global warming. and has led to climate change.
We learned that it is important to control the temperature on Earth so that the ice tops don't melt so fast. Conduct can stop our planet from heating so fast. We found that planting trees is one of the best solutions because trees absorb carbon dioxide and keep the atmosphere cool. We must all plant trees. Plants keep our environment healthy and will keep our planet safe from the scorching heat of the sun.